Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of gut health and how the paleo diet can be a game changer in optimizing it. So grab a seat and let's explore. First off, what exactly is gut health and why is it so important? Gut health refers to the balance and functionality of the gastrointestinal tract, which includes the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. This intricate system is home to trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microbes. Collectively, these microorganisms form what is known as the gut microbiome. The gut microbiome, however, is more than just a chance assemblage of bacteria. It is an extremely intricate ecosystem that is vital to many facets of human well-being. Here's a closer look at the significance of intestinal health. Digestion. One of the primary functions of the gut microbiome is to aid in the digestion and absorption of nutrients from the food we eat. Certain bacteria and enzymes break down complex carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into smaller molecules that can be absorbed by the body. Without a healthy microbiome, digestion can be compromised, leading to nutrient deficiencies and digestive issues like bloating, gas, and constipation. Immune function. The gut is home to a sizable amount of our immune system despite popular belief. Through its interactions with immune cells in the intestinal lining, the gut microbiome helps control the immune response. It serves as a barrier to stop dangerous infections from getting into the bloodstream and starting an immune response. A healthy immune system depends on balanced gut flora. Mood regulation. You might be surprised to learn that there's a strong connection between the gut and the brain, often referred to as the gut-brain axis. The gut microbiome produces neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play key roles in mood regulation and mental health. Research suggests that imbalances in the gut microbiome may contribute to mood disorders such as depression and anxiety. By nurturing a healthy gut, we can support not just our physical health, but also our emotional well-being. Metabolism and weight management. Emerging evidence suggests that the composition of the gut microbiome may influence metabolism and body weight. Certain bacteria are associated with increased energy extraction from food and the storage of fat, while others are linked to a leaner body composition. By fostering a diverse and balanced gut microbiome through dietary and lifestyle interventions, we may be able to support healthy metabolism and weight management. Gut health is far more than just digestion. It's about nurturing a thriving ecosystem of microorganisms that influences everything from our immune system to our mood and metabolism. However, various factors like poor diet, stress, antibiotics, and environmental toxins can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to digestive issues, inflammation, and even chronic diseases. This is where the paleo diet comes in. The paleo diet, also known as the caveman diet, is inspired by the eating habits of our Paleolithic ancestors. It emphasizes whole foods like lean meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds while excluding processed foods, grains, legumes, and dairy. So, how does the paleo diet support gut health? Let's break it down. High in fiber. The paleo diet is rich in fiber from fruits, vegetables, and nuts, which promotes regular bowel movements and feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Anti-inflammatory. By eliminating processed foods and refined sugars, the paleo diet helps reduce inflammation in the gut, allowing it to heal and function optimally. Nutrient-dense. Paleo foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing the building blocks for a healthy gut lining and immune system. Gluten-free. The paleo diet excludes gluten-containing grains, which can trigger inflammation and digestive issues in sensitive individuals. Probiotic-rich. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha are often included in the paleo diet, supplying beneficial probiotics that support gut health. Let us now discuss some common misconceptions regarding the paleo diet. Its detractors frequently claim that it is overly restricted or devoid of scientific support. Still, a plethora of research has demonstrated its potential advantages for promoting intestinal health, blood sugar regulation, and weight loss. Furthermore, the paleo diet is not just about mimicking ancient eating habits, but rather about embracing whole, nutrient-dense foods that nourish our bodies from the inside out. In conclusion, the paleo diet provides a natural and efficient means of promoting gut health, which is essential to general well-being. A healthy gut environment can be created by emphasizing nutritious meals, lowering inflammation, and encouraging a diverse microbiome. This will provide the conditions for vigorous health. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on health and nutrition. Until next time, take care and prioritize your gut health.